Staking tokens using Exodus Wallet is a straightforward process that allows you to earn rewards on your cryptocurrency holdings. To get started, you need to have the Exodus Wallet installed on your device and some tokens that support staking. First, open the Exodus Wallet and navigate to the portfolio page, where you can view all your assets. Look for the token you want to stake and click on it to open its details page. If the token supports staking, you will see a stake button. Click the stake button to open the staking page, where you can view the staking rewards and the minimum staking amount. Make sure you have enough tokens to meet the minimum staking requirement. Next, click the Stake Now button to initiate the staking process. You will be prompted to confirm the transaction, including the amount of tokens to stake and the staking duration. Review the details carefully and confirm the transaction. Once you have confirmed the transaction, the staking process will begin, and you will start earning rewards. You can view your staking rewards on the token's details page or on the portfolio page. It is essential to note that staking tokens comes with some risks, such as price volatility and smart contract risks. Therefore, it is crucial to do your research and understand the risks involved before staking your tokens. To maximize your staking rewards, make sure to keep your Exodus Wallet up to date and connected to the internet. You should also monitor your staking portfolio regularly to ensure that everything is working as expected. In conclusion, staking tokens using Exodus Wallet is a simple and straightforward process that can help you earn rewards on your cryptocurrency holdings. By following these steps and doing your research, you can start staking your tokens and earning rewards today. Always remember to stay informed and adapt to any changes in the market to maximize your staking rewards.